Let's say I wanted to find a specific line of data. If I knew the value, I can use Excel's Find feature, which is found in the Home tab of the ribbon, Find and select and find, or use the shortcut Control F. Let's say I wanted to find a transaction that took place on April Fool's Day, April 1st, 2022. I can type in my date 4/1/2022, and then when I hit enter, Excel brings me to the value that matches what I entered. I can use the Find Next button to find the next one, or I can use the Find All button. When I hit Find All, Excel generates a list of all of the places where it found this value here, along with the cell reference. This list is really helpful if you want to quickly navigate through all of the entries. When you click on one of the entries, it'll bring you directly to that row. Returning back to my table, in certain instances, we might want to both find a certain piece of data and replace it. Let's say I wanted to replace chicken wing here with chicken wings so it's grammatically correct. I can use Find and Replace to do this. To use Find and Replace, go to the Home tab of the ribbon, go to Find and Select and Replace, or use the shortcut Control H. Here, Excel asks me for two things: what to find and what to replace it with. Like I said, I want to find chicken wing and replace it with chicken wings. I can either replace a singular value or replace all, but I'm going to click Replace All to replace everything in my spreadsheet. Excel tells us, all done, we made 13 replacements. I click OK and I exit out.